What's up guys, it's Mikey from ABC Store and today we're unboxing the 5D Mark IV. Hope you enjoy. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. As you can see, the first thing we see off the bat is some paperwork. Let's get that out of the way. And now let's go look at the reason we're all here. Here it is in all of its glory, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, a beautiful camera indeed, with 30 megapixels, 4K capabilities, and a very updated autofocus system. Canon has really outdone themselves with the version 4 of their classic 5D series. Now, moving on, as you can see, we have not one, but two manuals to the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. I'm not going to tell you to read them, but you should if you really want to know how to use your camera. Moving on from the manual, we have this big white box within a box, boxception, and in here you will see that we will find our 24-105 f4L IS Mark II USM lens. As you can see, the lens is neatly packed away in styrofoam and plastic wrap, as well as we have more accessories on the side, including your 5D Mark IV camera strap, the battery charger, battery, and cables. Let's just review the contents of this package. Here we have the 5D Mark IV itself, body, the 24-105 f4L IS USM Mark II lens, battery charger, LPE6 battery, cables, your camera strap, your viewfinder cover. Canon is now having an offer where if you buy this kit, you can get a free BGE20 camera battery grip from Canon for free on an instant rebate, along with 13 months of insurance. Now, oh God, look at this mess I made. I gotta put this all back. Wait just a second. Well guys, that's it on our unboxing of the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Let us know what you thought in the comments section below. If you like this video, like it and hopefully subscribe. We look forward to seeing you around.